and feed mostly on decaying plants and animals and tend to come out under the cover of darkness. But what is making these mollusks wrap around each other and wrestle upside down? If you look closely, there's something emerging from the slug's body.
Oh my god, that is like, oh my god, it's like, is there a baby being born?
But it's
like
coming out of its face.
Could that be right? Are these slugs giving birth? Well, no, because slugs and snails don't have live young. They lay eggs. Other observers have their own theories.
I don't know. I know it first came out like little worms.
Could this huge worm-like structure emerging from the slugs be some sort of parasite? Slugs and snails can be infected with nematode worms. In fact, gardeners often use these parasites to control the munching mollusks instead of using slug pellets or chemical pesticides. But the nematode worms that gardeners use are microscopic, and these things are huge. So if this isn't a young slug or a parasite, what is this thing coming out of the slug's head? Well, incredibly, this massive structure is the slug's penis. Yes, really. If both slugs have penises, perhaps these swingers are two males competing for a mate. The truth is even stranger. These slugs are actually mating, and they both have penises because they're hermaphrodites. They're both male and female at the same time. So how does the whole process work? Ben Rosen is a slug expert from the National Museum of Wales, and he's witnessed the leopard slug's extraordinary courtship.
This is one of the wonders of the invertebrate kingdom, really. These large slugs, and they begin to secrete a string of mucus, a special kind of extra stringy, sticky mucus, and the two slugs will twine around one another and suspend themselves from this mucus. After rotating for some time, the genitalia of the two slugs begin to emerge from the right-hand side of the head. They'll often take on a slightly bluish colour because the body fluids from the slugs are blue and they accumulate in the genitalia.
The slugs' penises wrap around each other to create an incredible and rather beautiful structure.
Not many people would sign up to watch slugs mating, but once you've actually seen it, it is beautiful. It takes a long time and it's kind of hypnotic and elegant.
Eventually, the two slugs swap sperm and fertilise each other's eggs. It's certainly an unusual way to go about it, but being hermaphrodite has several advantages.
A slug probably only needs to mate once in its life. In fact, some slugs don't even need to mate at all because being hermaphrodites, they can self-fertilise and they can fertilise their own eggs, but they certainly prefer to mate with one another.
Being a leopard slug is a fairly solitary existence, so by being hermaphrodite, each individual can mate with any other leopard slug they meet. But there's still one obvious question. Why go to the bother of growing such a huge appendage? Well, that's all down to the slug's split personality.
If you're a male, your goal is to give away your sperm as readily as possible to as many partners as you can because it's very cheap to produce. If you're a female, you want to have the ultimate amount of control over whose sperm fertilises your eggs because you've only got a few eggs to lay and you want to be very careful and choosy about whose sperm you accept. So these slugs are males and females at the same time. The males want to donate the sperm as fast as they can, but the females also want to retain some choice.
These conflicting